You may be using a Kali Linux machine for investigations, okay? That's cybersecurity. And at a point, you need to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your Kali Linux machine to carry out a specific investigation. This video walks you through on how to do that. All right, let's start with our iPhone. Here I'm on my iPhone screen, okay? Tap this search area and then type the text iCloud, all right? Then select the iCloud. So this takes us to the settings, okay? The iCloud settings page. All right, then scroll down on that page. Ensure that access iCloud data on the web is turned on. You can see that button there. All right, that's the first thing you need to do. Then let's get to the home screen on this iPhone. On the home screen, tap on your Safari browser for it to open. As the Safari browser opens, visit iCloud.com and log in with your email address, iCloud email address and password. So I've typed iCloud.com. I will press the search icon or enter, alright, so I'm taken to the iCloud page. It says I should sign in, so tap on sign in button. Then I will tap on sign in again. Place your face if you're using face unlock. Alright, this has taken me to my iCloud account, okay? And when you scroll down, you will see some options here. You see notes, you see photos, and you see some other folders, alright? So what I want us to do here is to upload the photo you want to use, alright? So I will tap on photos section. Alright, inside this photos folder, you can see the photos and the videos I have here. But that may not contain the photos and videos I want to transfer to my Kali Linux machine. Okay, so I need to upload the ones I need inside this account. And for you to do that, tap on the upload icon, which is at the top right. Then select where you want to source your photo from. So I want to source mine from Photos Library. So I will select that option. So tap on that option too. Now this opens the library, my Photos app, okay, showing me some informations, including the photos and the picture, the videos I have there. So let me tap on the photo and the video I need in this case. So I'll tap on this first one for it to be selected. Then I will tap on this one for it to be selected too. So if it's photo you want to upload, select photo. If it's photo and videos, select both. All right, just keep tapping until you're done with selection. Once you're done with selection, tap on the tick sign, which is at the top right. So the two items are uploading on this cloud account, okay? All right, they are done uploading. So the next step right now is to get to my Kali Linux machine for me to download these items into my PC. All right, on your Kali Linux machine, click on the default browser, which is usually Firefox. As the browser opens, click here in the search area and type iCloud.com. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. You'll be taken to this page. Click on sign in. On this sign in page, type in your iCloud email address, then check this box and then click on continue. So I'm done typing. I will check this box and I will click on next. Then I will insert the password to this iCloud account. Once you're done typing in the password, click on next. Then a notification will show up on your iPhone screen. Tap on allow. Then insert the number that will show up on your iPhone screen in this space provided. Then it says trust this browser. I will click on trust. So hold on and you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. If you remember, we uploaded that picture and video in the photos section, all right? So click on photos. Then this will show you the photos and videos that are in the photos folder. Okay, let's say this is what I want to download. All right, I'll click on it. Then I will click on this icon. This is download icon. All right, I'll click on that. And it's now downloaded. Don't worry, we are going to get to it at the end. Then let's say this is a video and I want to still download it into the PC, all right, which is Kalinos PC. I'll click on it once for it to be selected, and I will click on this download button, and it's now downloaded as well. So let me close this page, this browser. Once the browser is closed, you can access it. How do we go about it? Take your cursor to this spot, all right? That is Kali Home, okay? Home Kali. Click there and then select Open Folder. Now, you'll be shown some folders here. Click on Downloads because that's the default location where anything downloaded from a web browser is saved. And look at this. This is the picture, all right? So I'll close it, and this is the video. I can play it, okay? I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that it will push this video to more people. Thank you, and see you some other time.